Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to safely transfer your crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance, this step-by-step video will guide you through the entire process. Simple, secure, and fast. All recommended Forex and crypto broker links are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. Step 1. Open Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app. Now, tap Send. This is where you'll start your transfer. Next, select the crypto coin you want to send. For example, if you're sending USDT, BNB, or ETH, tap on that coin. Step 2. Get Binance deposit address. Now, open your Binance app. Tap on Deposit and select the same coin you chose in Trust Wallet. Once selected, Binance will give you a deposit address. Make sure to copy this address carefully. Also, double-check the network type, like BEP20, ERC20, or TRC20, to match the sending network in Trust Wallet. Step 3. Send from Trust Wallet. Go back to Trust Wallet and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Now enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Tap Next and then review your transfer details, including the network fee. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm to complete the transaction. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Now your transfer is processing. The status will show as pending for a few minutes while the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. Step 5. Check Binance deposit history. After around 5 minutes, head back to your Binance app. Go to Wallet, Spot, Deposit History, and you'll see your crypto has arrived. Done. Your crypto is now in your Binance account and ready for trading or holding. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.